Hey everybody, happy Friday. I want to show you some PropStream updates that are really awesome. So let's dive right into it. Just a heads up, if you wanted to actually get a little bit more in-depth information, you can always join a daily webinar with PropStream at 3 p.m. by logging directly into PropStream and signing up, again, daily, weekdays, 3 p.m. Or you can find the link inside the bio here. I'll drop a registration link in there, and also maybe even a one-on-one if you wanted to jump into more detail. But let's dive right into it. So essentially the user interface is updated with the quick filter set. So I'm just going to pull an example of looking for, say, a marketing list in San Diego. You'll see the unique record count will still populate like it always did here on the right hand side, but the advanced filter set user interface has improved quite a bit. It looks a lot more elegant, and then there is the PropStream Intelligence with this as well too, which is awesome. So from a glance, you'll see I can actually identify the unique record count just from the quick list setting. So you'll see that there's 371,000 unique records here on the right hand side in the total record count. But if I wanted to isolate, say, just the failed listings, I can click that. You'll see the left side, the filter set will actually populate here on the left side, indicating that you have that filter set, and you'll see the record count drop to that specific unique record count there on the right hand side. So I can continue to go down and add filters as I usually would. It looks a little bit more elegant. Let's say if I wanted to click on equity here, it's going to flow down. And then we also have these drop downs here as well too. So I can quickly choose 20. I can still type in 30, say, if I wanted. But you'll notice the records will also switch. And then again, that filter set is going to be added here on the left-hand side. So very cool. Let's say if I wanted just to, say, focus on properties that were held by an individual, again, that's going to add there. You'll know that that's turned on, and then my records will drop down. So I have 5,396 records. This may be a great list for me to target, but if I wanted to isolate that more, I could filter them or now use the PropStream Intelligence tool. So you will have to keep in mind where you're at, and obviously if you're choosing drastically different conditions for a property type, you're going to be getting discrepancies. So in this example, let's say 5,000 might be too large of a list for me. I want to get that down. I want to look at the overall property condition of, say, average condition overall homes. So that will isolate now down to 8 records. So very cool, awesome. The interface is updated, looks great. You'll also find some additional tools like filter sets, upside down lists and things of that sort. As always, I can still select my records, add to a list, create a new list, and then I can skip trace from here. I can send direct mail from here. And then if you want to learn a little bit more about plugging some of this data into other tools to better market to these prospects and then automate some of your marketing, you can feel free to, again, schedule a call with me. If you do want to have a free trial of PropStream, go to propstream.io and just or you can find the link down in my bio. If you do sign up from there, you can reach out and I will jump on a one-on-one with you to help you get your list set and answer any questions. So I hope this helps you understand some of the awesome updates that PropStream rolled out. Again, you can schedule that webinar or one-on-one with me or jump on their daily webinar at 3 p.m. So until the next update, I'll see you then.